What's up guys, it's Ashwin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a quick release on your car for your front bumper. So this is how it looks. You just pop it in, comes right out. Alright, so this is the close-up view of the mechanism. The button and the stem, click it in, comes right out. Put it back in, it pops out. So first thing you want to do is find a flat area to install the stem. I picked out right here because I fit the nut that goes on the stem right into the corner, and I just used a center punch and marked a hole right there. You can't really tell. Alright, now that I got the hole drilled, I can just put in the stem. Now to figure out where to drill, we're going to put some toothpaste on the stud and touch the bumper back up and see where the toothpaste comes on the other side, and drill a small hole from that side and then drill the rest from this side. Alright, so you can see that's where you have to drill, so let's just get right to drilling.
Yo! What's up? Yo, you stole a man's whip? No way.
Now all you got to do is adjust this to bring it forward or back so the bumper will line up properly, and just make sure you tighten these bolts down hard after that, and then you're good. So now that's how it is. So this fender right now is dented in right here, that's why you can see that, but this side's in solid and this side's in solid too.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content. I haven't made a video in a long time, but I'm getting back into the swing of things, so hopefully we'll get more videos out soon. So anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.